which we are currently. This is the video of the project which I've done. First, you have to go to the directory of the project, and then you have to start the project. For example, by doing this, by doing npm run dev, then press enter. As you can see, my front end start running. Now I have to start the backend. For backend, you have to go to the backend file. As you can see, my backend is saved there. Then you have to do this thing. Okay. Before that, you have to start the desktop, Docker desktop, and then press enter. As you can see, the container start running. Then you have to done this run there and press enter. As you can see, GraphQL server running at this link. Okay, now you have to use the front end. Click on this link. It will open in your browser. As you can see, there are two features, login and register. If I have already logged in, so I will log in. This is the username and this is the password. As you can see, this is the password, and then I press login. As you can see, I have already logged in, but I will show you if you enter wrong password. I have put the wrong input the wrong password. As you can see, it will show invalid username or password. So I will enter correct password. Okay, as you can see, I started the game. For before that, I want to show you the leaderboard. This is the leaderboard of the top players who played this game with their top scores. As you can see, and I click my scores, I will get the scores which I have been scored. For example, my lowest score is 11.4 second, my highest score is 24.1 second. I will start the game. Okay. The letter show will there. You have to press that letter like this. Letters will be repeated, and if you press the wrong letter, for example, I will press V. As you can see, 5 second delay added. I will there are 20 alphabets will come. I will complete this game first. It took me around 29.2 seconds and it will be added to my score, as you can see. Okay, now I want to tell you the workflow of this, how it will work. Okay, this is the workflow I have created with image. For example, when you register or login, your password and your username will go to my backend. In backend will hash your password, and then it will save to the database, and it will create a JWT which will store in your front end. Okay, then uh, then when you play the game, when you play the game and you scored something, the score with your JWT will go to my backend. With the help of your JWT, my backend will fetch the unique ID and store the score. And then okay, then and when you click on my scores, again your JWT go to my backend and fetch the unique ID, and from unique ID it will get all your scores. Secondly, the leaderboard works differently. I will backend run a SQL query. With that SQL query, we will get the lowest score of each player. That's how it works. This is the workflow of the game. Then I will tell you which tag I have used. Uh, for front end I have used React, but for backend I have used all of these. First, Bun. Bun is just like Node. Uh, it is also a runtime environment, but it is fast, so we used one. Second is Postgres database. I have used this database. GraphQL is a type of REST API, but in REST API we have to create multiple endpoints, multiple URLs. But in GraphQL I have created only one endpoint, which is this localhost 3000, and from there we can raise any query. Okay, then we have Prisma TS. Prisma help us to, for example, GraphQL you graph Postgres only uses SQL query, but Prisma help us to convert this SQL query into TypeScript. So it helps, and with the and it is known as ORM, Objection Relation Manager, which help us to convert the raw SQL query into TypeScript. Docker help to run this project in my machine, and that's how it works. Thank you.